I'm Jenni, Endorsee for Renwick & Sons. Today I'm going to show you how to smarten up these just few little cat hairs, how to use little trimmers to give a cleaner, sharper look. So I'm clipping on the side of the face. I face the clippers outwards a bit, so just getting the cat's hairs, not cutting into the actual coat. So make sure you get all they often get lots of coarser hairs underneath on the jawline, and just gently going against the hair just to give a crisper, sharper look. With whiskers, showing people like to take them all off. It's a personal preference, so you can either clip them on with the little trimmers or you can leave them more natural. Trimming the cat's hairs away gives him a cleaner outline and just makes him look all nice and tidy and smart.